Well, hello, it's Bear's back. Got a lock for you. It's the sword in the stone, pinned by Pickaholic, number 9. Here's the bidding on the key. Number 9, and that works smooth. So I'm going to get this all loaded up and get ready to pick it. Okay, we're loaded up in the holder. And she still works. Gonna get a little safety down there. Okay. And I'm going to use this, and I think it's 20 thousandths bald deforest type. We're going to see what we can do back in here, because we got a lot of high pins in the back. And I think it was 5 go. Move a little bit. I think I got another click out of them. I'm gonna move up to 3 and 2 now. Little bits of clicking going on. Back in the back again. We're gonna see if I get 6, 5 set. Get any kind of a false set off of this. Ooh, I got a nice little click off of, I think that was 5. But it was very little. There's some movement there on that. I think I just lost it again too. There, got something going. Getting around that warding just a little bit is where I need to get. Okay. You just stay around that wording. Well, don't think I'm getting much movement. A lot of stuff. Oh, I got a click out of 6, I think, in the back, but there's something. I think when I get a click on one, I set the other one back where it was. So, not real enthused about my clicks I'm getting here. Kind of feels like I'm pushing the core back and not. Okay. Those feel solid. That didn't. So I can wiggle that into spot. Ooh, it feels like it's getting deeper. Just working up and down the stack, guys. Seeing what I can find. Seeing what needs to be set. me come out here and touch one and see if there's anything there. Doesn't feel like it. Dang. 6 and 5 feel like they should be home. I might have overset 4. I think I did. Oh. Shit. I just got a click out of 4, I think, but it's not. Should be going higher in 2, but not seeming to get there. It's like 2 doesn't want to set for me. Oh, now I got a nice click off of, I think it was 4, but does that mean anything? No. I'm just making noise, it seems like. Every time I catch that warding, it wants to set something back. You little bugger. Where are you? It's always one just holding you up. Ooh, I got a default set now. I think I did. Feels like it. Ooh, yeah, we got an open. Wow, that one was a pain. Oh, I was just bouncing around on that really bad. Sorry it took so long, guys. A long video. Try to shorten it up a little with that stuff. See if we can't expedite this gutting. Okay. Get those out. Shims in. Okay, there's our, every pin had to be picked. All right, let's try to hurry this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we've got threading in 1, it looks like. 2, looks like 3 and 4 are smooth. 5 smooth and threading in 6. All right, dump that. Number 1. I'll show them to you guys. I'm just trying to get through this. Sorry I moved out of frame there. Wow. It's a long booger. Don't do that to me. Not today. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get through this. Come on. Shit. Wow, my light's not good here. I'm going to try to shorten up that picking a little bit. I'll speed it up so we not... I'm going to go on the other way. I get a better look at them. The lighting is just so cruddy. Oh, nice serrated spool. Or nice serrated pin, I mean. Not spool. Don't worry, folks. I can't talk well, so. But they never said you had to have an education to do this. Wasn't in the job description. It said just be silly enough to want to pick locks. But I love it. I'm addicted to it, guys. I really am. I watch you guys pick, and while you're picking, I want to go grab a lock and start picking. I really do. Okay, that's a nice looking. Uh-oh. Got one more in there. Ah, sneaky little devil. Oh, okay. What I did is I forgot there was 6. You go here. You go here. I know you all caught that, and you're all like, you dummy. Yeah, that's me. Okay. You guys, I appreciate you putting up with me. I really do. You guys are awesome. This community is just awesome. That's all there is to it. I got threading in, sorry, I don't need to be so loud. I got threading in none. It looks like I don't have any threading anywhere, folks. Nope, looks like the top hasn't been touched. Wow, I'm surprised. Let me check that. Let me just check that real quick. No, top's smooth. Okay, so that's what we got. We got a lot of serrateds in the bottom. Little spools there and there. We got serrated, mostly serrated, and T-pins. 2 T-pins, another serrated. Very nice. And it keeps you out pretty good. All right, excellent work. That is, sorry, that is Sword in the Stone by Pickaholic. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.